Stone plastic composite or SPC flooring is an advanced and much more premium as well as useful version of LVT flooring. Similar to the traditional LVT, it features a PVC, polyvinyl chloride construction, however it has a way sturdier stone core and thicker profile as compared to LVT. This flooring is a high-end and completely waterproof treatment and is one of the most heavy-duty options of floor systems available. SPC Flooring Dubai is, fair enough, a remarkable choice of a flooring treatment and for good reason. Here are a couple of major perks and pros of this quality flooring which will prove majorly worthwhile for you, in case you're planning on a home floor upgrade. 1. Waterproof structure. SPC floors are simply the best option to consider when you're looking for an extremely water-resistant flooring treatment. This way, these floors can be totally installed just about anywhere, no matter how much moisture-prone the given space is. 2. Aesthetic versatility. This flooring choice is hugely impressive when it comes to styling options, and you can easily find the finest decorative matches to any of your surrounding space. Besides, these floors are a really cost-effective alternative to beautiful hardwood floors. 3. No structural variations. SPC flooring, unlike many other floorings, is completely free from the slightest likelihood of expansion and contractions under all atmospheric conditions. This extreme stability feature diminishes the requirement of leaving transition profiles and expansion joints at the time of installation. 4. High impact resistance. That's another incredible aspect of SPC floors, which makes them worth the choice, i.e. they are absolutely resistant to impact damage, and the same goes for scratching and denting, as well. This also makes the maintenance easier since there will be no critical scratch, scuff or dent marks to deal with. 5. Acoustic protection. With quality SPC Floors Dubai, you won't experience any noisy spaces, whether it's the footsteps or any other source of unnecessary sound production. And that's how you can totally enjoy the most pacifying interior spaces around you. 6. Convenient installation. SPC flooring, just like most of the vinyl flooring versions, is super DIY friendly, and you can easily save yourself on all the installation expenses, just by investing some time and effort. This does make the choice of SPC flooring a major win-win deal, in case you don't want to spend on hiring professional services. 7. Easy maintenance. Another major plus point of this quality floor system is that it's really easy to care for, and there's no need for any detailed or critical maintenance procedures either. This makes SPC Flooring Dubai a really practical choice for nearly any given space, both indoor and outdoor. Also, this goes the same for all commercial settings, too. 8. Promising longevity. Investing in SPC Flooring Dubai is simply one of the most beneficial considerations, given the fact of flawless durability. These floors not only remain durable but are also super tough against all sorts of damaging factors, plus wear and tear over time.